Alrighty, YouTubers, we made it. It is Friday, January 19th. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF time. We have Amazon unboxing again. Here we go. Nice size box. Not sure what's inside, but we're about to find out. This is coming from... I'm not sure. But you guys could check out. Click on the link below if you guys want to save some money. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. The fast shipping. Even ships on Sundays. Put the postal people to work. But I also think they have their own shipping company. I've been realizing. Oh, we have... Oh, this is nice. This is a car cover. Bada boom. Matcc car cover. Really nice. I'm gonna try it on. Just give me 1 sec. And I'll put it on my prowler outside. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. But you guys can get one. This is from Matcc. Nice silver. Size 47 180 190T. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go in the garage. Got the cover up. Really nice cover. Easy to set up. I haven't covered it all the way up, but it's cold in here. Here we go. Nice reflecting neons. So this is on the compass. If you guys can see it. Trying to show not too much of it. Oops. It's got the side part. There it is. I just got to put it down in the antenna. But this is a vehicle I use. So, really cool. And you guys can get one at a low cost. All you got to do is click on the link down below. Check them out. Get a nice car cover for your car. And I believe they have other sizes also. SUVs, trucks, sports cars and all that. So really cool. Man. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. And you guys be safe, and I'll see you guys back in a little bit. See ya.